Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video I will be sharing with you how to make beans and unripe plantain. Beans and unripe plantain is good for diabetic patients. Okay, first I have to wash my beans and parboil it. Okay, after 5 minutes I will come back and wash it for the second time. I will cover it, allow it to be cooking. Then I will go ahead and peel the plantain. Yeah, I have done cutting the plantain. I will go ahead and make a tomato sauce. Yeah, I'm back to check the beans if it's 80% done so that I can add the plantain. And you can find that the beans is 80% done. I will add the plantain and my tomato sauce. Then I will go ahead and turn it so well. I just added little water because the water I have in there will not be enough to cook the beans. So I add the salt and blended scotch bonnet. After that, I will turn it so well and then cover it again, allow it to be cooking so that the beans will be 100% done. Yeah, I'm back again to check if my beans is done, and you can see the beans is done. I just turn it so well. Then I will add green vegetable. It's not a must that you will cook beans with green vegetable. It's a matter of choice. Then after adding the green vegetable, I will just turn it, bring it down, allow the heat to done the remaining work. So the beans is ready to go down. Thank you for watching, and please always keep in touch. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.